How to add funds in Polymarket. So you're gonna make sure you have signed in to your account, and of course the account you want to put in or deposit money into. So once you're in the website or the main screen, you should be able to see the deposit option directly in the top right. It's a blue button. Just go ahead and press on that. So you have a few options to deposit your money. So you could either transfer crypto, this has no limit. You can deposit with card, so just go ahead and get your card ready, and then its information like its CVV, expiration date, and the name that is on the card. Connect exchange as well, and a PayPal option. So whatever suits you, just go ahead and choose from whichever option you have for depositing. But that is pretty much the process on depositing or putting in money in Polymarket. It's that simple. Just go ahead in this section over here. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.